Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a short little video I wanted to make for you guys, pretty much testing out a product that was sent to me. This is the Imethod Beauty Waterproof, Smudge-Proof, Long-Lasting Winged Eyeliner Stamp. This item is for those of you, if you're like me and you struggle with getting a winged liner, this item is perfect for that. It comes with two sides, so there's two pencils, one for your left eye, one for your right eye. It comes in this cute little box. Hopefully you guys can see that. You can find them on Instagram at imethodbeauty. And they did send me this out to try it out. And basically it comes with, it's a stamp. So basically you would stamp the wing section and then the other side is a liner. So let me show you what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. So it's a little stamp that you can make the wing, and then the other side is the liner where you can draw the line. So it kind of gives you, it's a short little wing, but it gives you like that cat eye effect, which I really, really love. And I'm really not the greatest at. I'm still practicing. If you guys have been following me, you know that I've been practicing, to be a makeup artist. And this is perfect for me to practice because my biggest issue is liner, wing liner, any type of like liquid liner. That is like my biggest struggle. And so this is perfect to practice. So we're going to go ahead and practice with this one. So again, you can find them on Instagram, and I will link this down below for you guys. I think it is on sale. I could check the price for you. It's probably like 11 or 12 bucks or maybe even less, but I'll check. And they did give me a discount code for you guys for 10% off. You can use the code ThatNoraChick, and it'll give you guys 10% off your order. So that's great. And thank you to Imethod Beauty for sending this out. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the left eye, and I'm hoping you guys can see this okay. I am using a mirror at the so I'll be looking down because I do use a little mirror here. It just makes it easier. But I'm hoping you guys will be able to see this. So basically you're going to come to the corner of your eye and just stamp it wherever you want that little wing to be. You can see that right there. It gives a little wing. So then you're going to connect the liner to the wing. It's a very, very easy way to do. It's kind of like cheating on a wing liner, but you got to do what you got to do if you don't know how to do it. So this is perfect for me because I struggle with that so much. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the liner. And yeah, this is my biggest issue, not the wing itself, but the liner, putting liner, like anything liquid, I tend to make the biggest mess. So if I do make a mess, we'll start over. Bear with me. Just winging it, literally winging it. All right, so we're gonna go here. So I'm kind of just like, drawing it over to where the liner is, over to where the little wing is, in little small strokes. And just right here, I'm connecting it together. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's really pretty. I love it. I love it so much. And I'm left-handed, so it's such a struggle for me to get. All right, let's see here. I don't like a really thick line, but sometimes I end up making like a really thick line, which I don't like. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. I can never, ever, ever, ever get this line perfect. I'm still like trying to work on that, but it does give that little wing. So I love that. And let's see, this is the right side, so it comes with a little stamper. It's stamped, so you just stamp the wing. All right. Since I am left-handed, it makes it all harder to do the right side. All right, here we go. I want you guys to see what I'm doing, but I also want to look at the mirror to make sure I do it correctly. And there's the right side. I actually like how this side turned out better. I feel like this one came out more pronounced, but we can fix this one. It's really pretty. I love it. Makes it so much easier to do a little wing, like way easier. So then you just draw the line and you connect it to the wing. And you just kind of connected everything together. Hopefully you guys can see that. I just love it so much. I love this product. You know, you kind of got to play with it if you're not used to doing wings like I'm not. You just kind of play with the product a little bit, but I do want to make this wing over here a little bit more outward. So you can go ahead and just stamp right over that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so then basically I just kind of like to extend the wing a little bit, so I just build on that with the liner. So basically the little stamp, I like to extend it with the liner just to give it, you know, that more winged out effect. So I just I already have the wing right there. I just like to line and make it a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm just extending that wing out just a little bit, just to kind of give it that cat eye look. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Just kind of building on that wing itself. I'm just connecting everything together. All right. So it didn't come out like perfect, but I love it. I think this is really good compared to the messes I normally make. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much to Imethod Beauty for sending this liner out. I absolutely love it, you guys. Look how pretty. I just think it's perfect. It's perfect to learn how to do a starter wing look. It's just, I love it. I highly recommend it for anybody, as you know, if you're starting out with makeup and you really want to practice that wing liner, this is perfect for it. Or if you have a makeup lover in your family and you're looking for an affordable Christmas gift, they'll love it. So I'll link it down below for you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.
And you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really?